Hello everyone and welcome back to Canada and Beyond. In this channel we talk to you about how life is in Canada and specifically in Saint John, New Brunswick, and we talk to you about how you can move to Saint John if you want to move to Saint John. So today's video is all about celebrating our cultures, our incredible diversity, our incredible Saint John, that so many countries have come together today to celebrate the multicultural fest of Saint John that's happening now in Uptown. It was put together by the help of the Saint John Newcomer Center and the Uptown and the city. There is a lot of small tents. Each tent represents a country, represents a culture. Obviously, Tunisia is present this time. Most of the Arab countries are presented here as well. And there's all kind of food vendors from all over the world. They all come together to celebrate this beautiful event. So without further ado, let's get into it.
So, again, greetings on behalf of the Government of Canada. I'm thrilled to be here. I want to congratulate Mohammed and his team from Newcomers for, the International Culture Fest is something that's growing, it's getting bigger. Outside, Lauren, I know Lauren Daltrop had a lot to do with this. It's just amazing. And as Minister Arlene Dunn said too, our community is absolutely alive with newcomers embracing diversity, embracing refugees, and that's what we're all about here at Saint John.
For choosing to participate in our questionnaire.
For sure, yeah.
My name is Jihan, and what's your name?
Nice to meet you. My name is Cesar. I am from Costa Rica.
Oh, nice to meet you, Cesar. I'm from Tunisia. So the first question is, where was the first university in the world that was established by a woman in 859? Any guess? Egypt, Morocco, or Jordan?
Morocco.
That's a good answer! Oh. That's the correct answer! Okay, should we go for one more?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so what's the country that has one of the world's highest reserve in oil and gas? Saudi Arabia, Qatar, or Iraq?
Iraq.
Okay, it's Qatar.
Okay.
But you're very close!
I try.
Okay, let's do a third one and then we'll let you go, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So, what's the richest Arab country according to the GDP per capita?
Okay.
Tunisia, Kuwait, or the Comores Island?
Tunisia?
I wish to. I would love if Tunisia was the richest.
Okay.
She is from Tunisia, that's why.
We're not that rich. It's Kuwait actually.
okay.
Yes, they're very rich. Thank you so much
I
for
try.
participating. We have from all this road, there is all Arab countries here.
Okay.
There is Tunisia, Morocco, Egypt, Palestine, Syria. So they
Perfect.
all have tents. They all have a lot of cool stuff to share with you.
Okay.
So yeah.
Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you. Are you from here, local?
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, Jason. So I'll ask you a few questions just about the Arabic culture and everything.
Okay.
First question is, what's the largest Arab country? Saudi Arabia, Algeria, or Egypt?
Say Saudi Arabia. Either that or Egypt.
It's actually Algeria. I'm actually surprised.
Yeah.
But yeah, Algeria, they have, I think, the desert that makes
okay.
it bigger, yes. The other question is, what's the smallest Arab country? Lebanon, Bahrain, or Qatar?
Qatar would be my guess. But-
I think
but-
Qatar is the second smallest, yeah, but Bahrain is the actual smallest. Hello, my name is Jihan. I'm from Tunisia. And what's your name?
My name's Kate and I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you, Kate. So I will be asking you some questions regarding the Arab countries. And
Okay.
let's see. So where are the pyramids? Are they in Saudi Arabia, Egypt, or Tunisia?
The pyramids?
Yes.
I would have to say they're in Egypt.
Oh yeah, I will
Okay.
agree with you. This is easy one.
No, that's easy for everyone.
Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, where is I don't know if they are hard or not. Where is the oldest shrine in the world? Dubai, Mecca, or Damascus?
That's hard.
Say it again, Jihan.
What was the second one?
Mecca?
Naka. Naka. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's the right one.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, my name is Jihan. I'm from Tunisia. I'm from Tunisia. And what's your name?
Bulan.
Nice to meet you. And where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Nice. Okay, so we will be asking you some questions regarding the Arab countries. So yeah. First question is, what's the longest river in the Arab world? Al-Asi, Al-Nil, or Euphrates?
Nile.
Nile. Okay, nice. That's the correct answer. by the way.
Yay! That was correct.
What's the most advanced city in the world? Qatar, Dubai, or Casablanca?
Dubai.
Dubai. I think that was an easy one. Yeah. The Pope Sylvester II attended the University of Al-Qayrawan in Lebanon, Tunisia, or Libya? Tunisia. It's actually wrong. Qayrawan is in my country. I have to fight for this. They make it wrong. But
We don't have a right option over there.
yeah, so the correct answer is actually Tunisia. I think this was a trick question.
Oh, okay.
Well, thank you so much for participating. Hello, my name is Jihan. I'm from Tunisia and I'd love to ask you some questions regarding the Arab countries. And what's your name?
My name is Reema.
Rima, where are you from?
I'm from India and currently I live in Moncton, so I have traveled all the way from Moncton to Saint John.
That's awesome!
Yeah, that's because it's my best friend's birthday today.
Oh, okay, nice. And you get to enjoy this fest as well. That's amazing. Well, nice to meet you, Rima.
Thank you, nice.
And my first question for you is, where was the first law code made? First law, was it made in Palestine, Iraq, or Egypt?
Palestine.
That's very close. Iraq is the correct answer.
Oh,
Try again.
One more. Second question is, name a sea in the Middle East that nobody can sink in it. The White Sea, the Dead Sea, or the Red Sea?
oh yeah, that's
Dead Sea. There you go. Well, thank you so much, Rima.
Try to survive. One call, not in the middle of December.
So guys, I was just representing Tunisia on the stage of showing my fashion. This is my Tunisian fashion. And I was so excited, like the people were so, dancing with the music. I think I chose the right music. People loved it. I was so happy representing my country. I think these type of events are really, really beautiful because they keep us attached to our countries back home, even though we live abroad. So I hope you guys love this video, and I really hope you attend next year the Saint John Culture Fest.